Did you experience that growing up na nagtayo na kayo ng Christmas tree sa September?
Parang hindi naman. Sa experience ko, hindi naman siya ganun ka-tense, I think. Of course, sa September, ang malls meron na.
Yes.
But I don't think it is kagaya today, you know. I think recently lang ata yan talagang super intense na talagang, kumbaga, kinarin na natin yung September Christmas. So,
Correct.
growing up, hindi ko masyadong maano yan. Nafe-feel mo but not as, I think, as intense as the recent years.
Okay. I see. And si Jose Marichan, ayan, talagang sobrang sikat na sikat yan by September pa lang, ano? As in, wait, so Manila lang ba yun? Or,
Oh, sa buong Pilipinas yun talaga.
just wanted to clarify. Sa Cebu din pala, sikat na po si Jose Marichan. Ayan, we have a verification na.
Yes. It's safe to say that na ano talaga, buong Pilipinas kumakanta ng Christmas in Our Hearts September pa lang. Oh.
Grabe. And having said that, no, here in in Germany, we only experience snow